Hello, assalamu alaikum my dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss solutions and its types. In the previous lecture we discussed about mixtures, where we discussed about two types of mixtures. One is homogeneous mixture and the second one is heterogeneous mixture. As already discussed in the previous lecture, that a mixture which has uniform composition is called homogeneous mixture. That is, the components of homogeneous mixture are equally arranged and distributed. Like we have salt plus water, we have sugar plus water, salt solution, sugar solution are the homogeneous mixtures. A mixture which does not have uniform composition, a mixture which does not have uniform composition is called heterogeneous mixture. That is, the components of heterogeneous mixture are not equally arranged and distributed. Like we have NaCl plus sand or sand plus water. Now let's come to our today's topic, that is solution and its types. Before discussing the solutions, we should know the meaning of two terms, that is solute and solvent. The substance which is dissolved in a liquid to make a solution is called solute, and the liquid in which the substance, in which the solute is dissolved to make a solution is called solvent. Suppose if we make a solution of this sugar and water, what we add? If we make a sugar solution, we add sugar into the water. Similarly, if we make a saline solution, we add salt to a water. In this sugar solution, the sugar is solute. The sugar is called the solute and the water is called the solvent. Similarly, in the saline solution, the salt, here the salt which we add in a glass of water is solute and the water is solvent. That is why I told you that the substance which is dissolved in a liquid to make a solution is called a solute. So sugar is a solute and water is solvent. Similarly, here the salt is solute and the water is solvent. Usually the substance which is present in lesser amount in a solution is called the solute. Usually the substance which is present in lesser amount is called the solute. Here in a sugar solution, sugar is in less amount, so it is considered as solute. The water is in greater amount, so it is considered as solvent. So the substance which is present in lesser amount is called solute, and the substance which is present in greater amount or larger amount is called solvent. Please note that the solute particles are also called dispersed particles. These solute particles are also called dispersed particles. Dispersed particles. And these solvents are also called dispersion medium. Please note one another thing, that solutions colloids and suspensions differ in size of solute particles. In these things, in these terms, we have different solute size. We have different size of solute. In a solution, we have minimum size of this solute, and in the suspension, we have the maximum size of solute. Usually, we have solids as a solute. Like we see the sugar, that is solid, is a solute. Salt, which is a solid, is a solute. But we can have this gases and liquids. These gases and liquids can also be solutes, which we will discuss later on in types of solutes. This solutions, types of solutions. Similarly, water is universal solvent, which we called aqueous solvent. Water is called aqueous solvent. Water is aqueous solvent. We can have many organic solvents also. That is, for example, we can have alcohol, we can have stone, we can have carbon tetrachloride, we can have carbon disulfide, we can have also benzene as solvents. These are called non-aqueous solvents. The organic liquids are called non-aqueous. Non-aqueous solvents. The solution which is made by dissolving the solute in water. The solution which is made by dissolving the solute in water are called aqueous solutions, are called these aqueous solvents form aqueous solutions. Aqueous solutions. And the solute which is dissolved in organic liquids to make a solution are called non-aqueous solutions, are called non-aqueous solutions. Now let us see what are solutions. In the upcoming lectures we will discuss these colloids, we will discuss the suspensions. Today we will discuss about solutions. What are solutions? In simple words, solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. This solution is homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. What is this homogeneous mixture? We have already discussed the homogeneous mixture. A mixture is said to be homogeneous if it has uniform composition throughout. That is, the components of homogeneous mixture are equally arranged and distributed. You can watch my previous lecture about this mixtures and its types. So a solution is simply a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Like we have salt solution, we have sugar solution, we can have this vinegar, we can have metal alloys, like brass, like we can have iron. So simply homogeneous this solution is simply a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Like we have salt solution, sugar solution. These salt solutions and sugar solutions are also called true solutions. These are called true solutions. True solutions. Salt solution and sugar solution are also called true solution because in these solutions the particles of salt and sugar are mixed so well that one cannot distinguish one from another. The particle size is very less, extremely small size. So the salt solution and sugar solution are also called true solutions. In the true solution, the particle size is extremely small. One cannot distinguish solvent from solute. These are also called this molecular solutions. These are also called molecular solutions. Because in these solutions, the dissolved particles have the same size as that of molecule. These sugar particles or this salt particles dissolve completely in water. So they are said to be soluble in water. So please note that only soluble substances form true solutions. I will write it here. Only soluble solutes will form true solutions. Now let's check the properties of these solutions. The number one is a solution is homogeneous mixture. A solution is homogeneous mixture. The second thing is, these are the properties of a solution. The second thing is the particle size of a solution is extremely small, that is less than 1 nanometer. Particle size of solutions are less than 1 nanometer, which is equal to 10 raised to power minus 9 meters. So here you can see the particle size of a solution is extremely small, that is 10 raised to power minus 9 meters. The third point is the particles of a solution cannot be seen even under a microscope because they are extremely small. The particles of a solution can't be seen under a microscope. The fourth point is the solutions pass through the filter paper. All the solution pass through the filter paper, whether it is all the solution, or we can write like that, all the particles of a solution, pass through a filter paper. So what we learn here, solutions cannot be separated by filtration. The fifth point is the solutions are very stable. Solutions are stable, that is, the particles of a solute does not separate out on keeping. If we will keep on a solution on standby for 2 or 3, 4, 5, 24 hours, the solute particles does not separate out. The solute particles will not separate out. सपोज अगर हम एक शुगर सॉल्यूशन को या सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन को अगर हम स्टैंड बाय रखेंगे 2 घंटे, 3 घंटे, 24 घंटे तक, वहाँ पे शुगर और वाटर अलग अलग नहीं हो पाएंगे. They will not separate from one another. That is why we say solutions are stable. The sixth point is solutions does not scatter light. Solutions does not scatter light. The particles of a solution does not scatter light because the particles of a solution are extremely small. They are extremely small, so they do not scatter the beam of light. This was all about the solution, and the types of solution we will discuss in the next lecture, inshallah. Thank you for watching my video.